Hey, girlfriends. So the products that you're using in your normal everyday hair care routine, they can dramatically impact how your heatless curls set and how they look. So just to demonstrate that, I've washed half my hair with Olaplex #4 and #5 shampoo conditioner set. Olaplex, if you don't know, they are like a super hair restorative, moisture intensive product line for hair meant to repair damaged hair. So really intense, moisturizing, strong, good stuff. But it's actually very bad for heatless curls if you have my hair type. Now on the other side, I just use normal L'Oreal volumizing shampoo conditioner. Just wanted to demonstrate exactly what happens because this happened to me the other day and it's not fun. And you're like, what did I do wrong? I waited for my hair to dry. I wrapped it perfectly. And then it turns out looking like it could very well just be the products that you're using. This is Olaplex over here. As you can see, it's just your hair is like basically too bloated to be able to set curls correctly. It's just like way too moisturized. Even though my hair is 100% dry, it turned out like this. Now on the other side, we're gonna end up with the normal curls because my hair is not like overly saturated. The difference is crazy, am I right? This is not good, this is good. If your curls are turning out not curled like this, it could very well be the products that you're using. For my hair type, which is, it's a very fine straight hair, I know that K18, Olaplex, a lot of hair masks, all of that will basically make my curls look like this when I set them. And that if I'm going to use those products, I shouldn't be also using my curling headband because it's just not going to set the curls right. Hope this video is helpful. If you have any other questions or comments, please let me know. Just drop a note in the section below. I love reading them and I put these videos together to help you on your heatless hair journey. So we want to make sure that the content that we're putting out there really does help you guys and is what you're looking for. So yes, would love to hear from you and thank you as always for being our girlfriend.